is what she had to say. To the house next door, her teardrops fell like rain that day. Then I told Joni what I had to say. Joni, Joni, please don't cry. You forget me by and by. You're just 15. German tried to settle down, but these words keep haunting my memory. Words that John